Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change an upper rack slide in your dishwasher. It's a really easy job. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, first of all we'll need to remove all the items on the upper rack. Open the dishwasher door up, remove the items, and then pull the rack forward. And you'll note on the end of the rails there is a rack stop that prevents that rack from coming off of the rails, so we need to remove those next. On these, on the lower half of it, you'll see that there's a little plastic clip. We simply release it and then pull the rack stop up through the openings in the rail and then set it aside. Do the same for both sides. Now with both rack stops removed, we're then just going to pull that upper rack completely out of the dishwasher. We'll set that aside. And whichever rail we're going to replace, we'll need to remove the rack stop on the back end of that. So again, we're just going to release that little tab on the very bottom of that rack stop. Push it up through the bottom opening and the top opening. Slide the rail completely out of the dishwasher and discard it. Position the new one in between the rollers. And fit that rack stop down through both openings. And then snap it closed. And now we can put the rack back in. Now we're reinstalling the rack. Open the door up and just pull those rails forward. Line up the rear wheels. Push the rack into the dishwasher. Line up the front wheels. Push the rack all the way back. And then we can reinstall the rack stops. Again, we're just going to fit those down through the rectangular openings in the rails. Snap it together so that the clip locks on the bottom. We can then close the dishwasher up. And your repair is complete.